Hey there, lovelies. It's your girl April coming to you with another Forex video. This video is going to be a trade analysis on Euro Aussie. But before we begin, just a quick disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor or planner for Forex. I'm just your average gal that likes to trade. My trading style is a long-term position trading, and any sort of gains or losses that you accrue is of your own fruition. Know that if you're going to trade, you should always have a trade plan. You should trade that plan and know that the trend is your friend. And if you decide to go against the trend, just know that it might not be a good day for you. But if you know how to do that, then kudos. If not, I would probably just trade with the trend. All right, so let's get into it. Euro Aussie. Just so you know, Aussie dollar is really strong. And what pairs correlate with Aussie dollar? Usually gold is going to correlate with Aussie dollar, okay? Three Asian markets that usually correlate with gold is going to be Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar, and Japanese yen, okay? So just pay attention. If you see that gold is going up, look at those pairs, or look at pairs with those particular corresponding currencies, and then look for pairs with opportunity and look for areas of opportunity on those particular pairs. All right. Now, so you can see here, Euro Aussie was in a long time uptrend, right? But now she's broken that. Now she's testing this long-term uptrend area to be able to determine if she wants to keep going down, which is most likely going to be the bias. But again, they retest the trend line and then do what it's going to do. So let's take a closer look. Currently, she is ranging between 1.5707, which is a little bit up here, and as low as 1.5267. Because it's in consolidation, you can either decide to trade that range of consolidation, so selling at the top and buying at the bottom, getting out in between, finding those areas where you can have opportunity. Or you can do what I do, is just buy and hold at the top. And currently I'm not going to place a stop loss because just in case there's volatility that's going to go against me, this would be my hard stop loss, but I can easily build into the trade. If you cannot build into the trade, then obviously your stop loss, I would say at a minimum, should probably be at this 1.5707 if you're able to get in at this top. So that would give you, anywhere from about 30 to 50 pips of a loss. But if you can build into it because of volatility, then build into it. All right, so my current pending order for this one, let's go to the weekly so you can see this consolidation. Like I said, we're consolidating a lot in this area. Pending order for me is going to be placed at about 1.5663, just because I like to have a little bit of cushion to where the top is, because a lot of times it won't always go to the top. So just so I can actually still get in on the trade, but get in at a pretty decent size, and then that position management of your trading, that's where that's going to come into play, especially if you plan on building into it if it goes against you. Basically, that's me saying I don't put all my eggs in one basket right up front, especially when I have a hard bias of a certain way that the market's going, because basically the big boys are saying this baby's going down. It's going down. Woohoo! Excited. All right, so like I said, 1.5663, but a good area where a pending order could be would probably be 1.5637 to about 1.5687. As you guys can see, this falling wedge after this long-term bias, and we have a rising wedge. So that kind of tells us that most likely it's going to go back down. We just don't know when. That's why we have this area of consolidation. And And the reversal for this would be confirmed. Let's see. I would say, if we can zoom out enough. So reversal for this, once we get into this, once we pass the 1.5267, that's pretty much a game changer to tell us, okay, we're going down. And these are all our areas of wide open space. So the next one would be this, what is this, 1.4967-ish could be a target for you. And then obviously further down we have even more wide open space for this particular pair. Here, here, here. How far down is it going to go? It could go down for years. So that's why I want to get in at a pretty decent position and manage that trade long term. Hopefully you guys like this video, and like I said, make sure that before you trade, you have a plan and you trade that plan. The trend is usually always going to be your friend. The big boys, they got way too much money and ain't nobody got time to be trying to fight them over stuff. All right. If you like this video, please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. I'd appreciate you very much. And if you want to see more content like this, or training videos, or webinars, and one-on-one sessions with me, you can check out my Patreon at Genius Invest. And thanks for watching. Deuces.